Hey guys, it's Aubrey
and Tar, and today we're going to be comparing air fried versus baked sweet potato fries.
We're going to be making one big batch and air frying half of it and baking half of the other, and we are going to test which one is better and which one you should do. So without further ado, let's get started. 4 medium-sized sweet potatoes, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, but any other kind will work too. 3 tablespoons cornstarch. Using cornstarch will result in a crispier fry. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Feel free to use any seasonings you would like. Peel and cut sweet potatoes into fry-shaped pieces about 1/4 inch thick. Try to cut them all the same size so they bake evenly. Transfer fries to a large bowl. Add in 3 tablespoons cornstarch and mix until evenly coated. Then add in 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon salt. Stir until fully combined. And I had to move mine into a larger bowl, so make sure your bowl is big enough. Now add in 3 tablespoons olive oil, but you can use any kind you like or have on hand. So now I'm just dividing the batch into 2, one for the air fryer and the other for the oven baked version. For the baked ones, place on a baking sheet with a rack. Make sure the fries don't overlap so that they cook evenly and get crispy. Roast at 425 degrees for 20 minutes. And now for the air fryer version. Set air fryer temperature for 350 degrees. Transfer fries to the air fryer and let cook for 10 minutes, 5 minutes on each side. And now for the part that we have all been waiting for.
We're going to see which ones we like better. Okay, so these are the baked ones, and we can tell that they're more brighter, and they have seemed to shrunk more when they were cooked.
And these are the air fried ones, and they kept their shape, and they are lighter in color, and they look a little bit crispier.
All right, so now we're going to go on with the taste test.
Okay, so pretty much the only big difference that we saw between the two were that the air fryer ones were a lot crispier than the baked ones.
Also, the air fryer ones took half the time of the baked ones, which are a big plus.
But they're both great options, and whichever one you choose, you can't go wrong with either of them.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!